Two AI companies, hundreds of students trained, D2C brands automated, real estate systems built, and I have not written a single line of code in my entire life. If you think that AI is only for developers and techies, this video is going to change your belief forever. I am Aryaman Upmanyu and this is my first YouTube video. I run LanceMart AI where we build AI automation systems for real businesses, and Haus of Intelligence where I train founders and professionals to do the same. Now here's exactly how it all happened. I was on a call with a D2C founder, good brand, solid revenue, and he told me that his team spends hours every single day just handling customer queries, sorting out leads, and also chasing abandoned carts. 4 hours every single day they were just spending on all of these things, and I thought that this is not a people problem, this is a systems problem. That was the moment I stopped seeing AI as a trend and started seeing it as a business, because I knew that it can be solved with some integrations, with some tools, with some platforms, and Make.com and Zapier and N8N were just starting of these platforms. Like I'm talking about 2024 ka ekdam end, and 2025 was just about to start. Now right after that I picked up Make.com and then N8N. I saw some tutorials and there was absolutely no coding. It was just a good logic flow for me. And I'll be very honest, the first workflows I built were absolutely broken. Duplicate emails, crashing automations, clients calling me confused at night because people, when they heard about all of these all of this AI stuff, they were just very much crazy about it and they wanted this particular thing integrated in their business. But at first there were a lot of problems in Make.com and N8N integrations also, because they were not as strong as they are today. But I always knew that every broken workflow taught me something no tutorial ever could. So my first real client was a D2C brand. I built their lead nurturing system, WhatsApp triggers, follow-up sequences, cart recovery. There were 2 to 3 more things, but if I name the brand, it's one of the biggest brands in the New York City. It's a fashion brand. They saw my first piece of content when I was just blowing up on Instagram. Today I have more than 60,000 followers. But he reached out to me and then he was too sweet, and we hopped onto a call, and then he saw that I am getting into this industry, and he was very much keen to know where this industry is going to go. And I agreed upon building something for free for that particular client. Now after I gave it a shot, it worked. So that one result built LanceMart AI what it is today. After this, people started asking how I did it, because I used to showcase every single thing on my social media, and all of those content pieces were actually blowing up. So I built a cohort program, trained the first batch in its early bird access, and watched people with zero technical background ship live automation systems in just 2 to 3 weeks, and it blew my mind. So that became Haus of Intelligence, which is our education arm today. Now 4 principles that made all of this possible without me knowing how to code. 1. Systems over skills. Stop collecting knowledge and start building real AI automation workflows. A system that runs without you is worth 10 skills that need you. 2. Clients before teaching anything to anybody. I did not teach until I had real results. So do it first and then teach it if you know it better. 3. AI is the team, you are the CEO. I have automations doing work I would have hired 3 to 4 people for. Design the system, don't do the task. 4th, speed beats depth. The people winning right now are the ones who know AI the best. They are the ones who shipped something first. Give a logical framework to people to just start. Now, this was my first YouTube video ever. I have never recorded anything in a landscape format apart from the ones that I record or shoot for my cohort program. But I know that my eyes should not be here. There should be hair while talking to the camera, but I am speaking while I am looking at myself in my phone. And I just heard it from somebody very, very wise that if you want to start something, just start it raw and you improve along the way. So I shared some knowledge that I had in my head, and I'm just going to continue to do so on this YouTube channel. And I am already doing good enough on Instagram and LinkedIn, but YouTube is very, very new to me, so be very nice to me, I would say. But whatever I'm going to do here, it's just going to put in a lot of value for each and every one of you. I promise that. I'm going to share each and every client win. I'm going to share each and every business roadmap. I'm going to share each and every clientele roadmap, each and every outreach roadmap, everything that you need to start with AI in 2026 or even in 2027, 28, 29, whatever. So just to start with AI and kickstart with this journey, ASAP. I'm just gonna give you people some very very good resources so that you can actually start with it, and we help each other to grow in our own industries. I want to grow on YouTube while I'm doing this. You want to grow with the roadmap that I want to give you. So you're gonna receive all of that in my upcoming videos. Just be safe, be rational, and just do whatever you want to do, but do it with logic. That's it. That was the raw takeaway from this video. So I'm gonna see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.